welcome to our esteemed dignitaries from the United Arab Emirates, industry leaders from both regions, and fellow government colleagues. This session is a reflection of the growing synergy between the United Arab Emirates and Andhra Pradesh. We jointly pursue cross-border growth, investment partnerships, and shared prosperity. The United Arab Emirates is among India's largest trading and investments partners, and we in Andhra Pradesh are committed to taking this bilateral relationship to the next level at the subnational level. We see this partnership one that goes beyond grade. One build on shared goals would food security, energy transition, resilient infrastructure, and globally connectivity. Andhra Pradesh is emerging as India's most strategically located and investor-ready state. 1,054 kilometers coastline, 6 operation ports, 6 airports. Direct sea connectivity to Middle East ports such as Jebel Ali, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah. We are investing heavily in port-led industrialization, logistics, park, multimodal transport, and corridor-based development. We invest in United Arab Emirates investors to explore industrial nodes in Visakhapatnam to Chennai, Chennai to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Bangalore corridors, logistics and warehousing zones near Krishnapatnam, Kakinada, and Visakhapatnam port. Green Energy Hub, AP is a leader in solar, wind, pumped hydro storage, green hydrogen, and green ammonia. Fruit processing and aquaculture cluster linked to farm to fork exports. We welcome participation in PPP projects in infrastructure, industrial park, and clean energy. Andhra Pradesh has consistently ranked at the top in the use of doing business index. We have a single desk portal for all clearances, proactive governance, and a dedicated investors facilitation cell under the infrastructure and investment department. We are committed to fast-tracking United Arab Emirates proposals. United Arab Emirates best companies have shown interest in logistics processing and port-based manufacturing in AP. We seek to convert this MOU and proposals into a grounded project with speed and transparency. The agreement with United Arab Emirates and India Comprehensive Economic Partnership provide a strong policy platform for deeper collaboration. The government of Andhra Pradesh is ready to be a trusted partner in United Arab Emirates. Strategically, expansion across Asia. Let us co-develop projects, co-create value chains, and build a corridor of infrastructure, innovation, and impact. We look forward to taking our conversations forward and working closely with our counterpartner in United Arab Emirates to realize investments outcome that benefit both regions. Thank you. Jai Hind.